Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can feature YouTube channels on your very own YouTube channel. So first off, we need to go to our icon, click on it, and we want to head to the YouTube Studio. From here we want to go to customization, and then we want to navigate to this section, featured sections. Click on add section, and then we want to select the very last option, which is featured channels. Now here you can create the name for this section of channels, which we're going to link underneath. So I'm just going to call it awesome people, and now we can get to adding people. I'll show you what you can do if their channel does not pop up. So for example, let's say I want to add my other channel, net help. Okay, just click on this, check marks it, and it shows up right here, channels in this section. After you're done, you just want to click on done. Now this is going to show up, but what if the person you're searching for does not show up in the results? All you have to do is click on edit section. My channel is already here, and you can search them by URL, and this is what I mean. For example, this dude Xanax drops, I want to feature him. I search for Xanax, it doesn't show up. So all you have to do is go to this link and copy this one, this URL from his channel. And we paste it, and see, he immediately pops up. So now he is also added. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.